What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and if you're tuning in, I'm sure you don't want to hear a bunch of talk. You just want to know how to put a water pump on a 2003 Jeep 4.7 liter V8, and I'm sure this covers other models. So in short, you do have to remove the idler pulley that's beside the tensioner. Get it out of your way. You can remove all of your water pump bolts. To actually get the water pump out of the hole there, you do have to remove the alternator. You don't really even have to unhook it, just unbolt it, slip it to the side, set it, it stays there fine, and you can remove the water pump. It's still a little tight to get out, but it's definitely doable, as you can see. And of course, installation is just reverse process. You're going to slip that water pump back down in there, make sure the mating surface is clean, and other than that, it's a fairly straightforward job. Some of the bolts are a little bit tight to get to, but definitely doable, and not really a terrible job. So anyway, 2003 Jeep 4.7 liter, and I'm sure probably, I don't know, maybe a Dakota or maybe even a full-size truck is the same. So any 4.7 should be the same. One more final thing, after you're done the install with the water pump, we did a thermostat too, by the way, but after you're done with the install, there's an air bleed screw here you can remove. It's a screw right at the top here, and it's roughly the same height as the fill cap. So you'll get about a gallon of antifreeze in there, and then ever so slowly you can keep dumping. We've almost dumped another gallon in slowly. So definitely pull that out. It'll save you a lot of trouble of getting air pockets out of the engine later. It goes in very, very slow, but you're just allowing that air to bleed out of the system so you can top it off. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Have a good day.